Is there a change in my voice? Sounds pretty refreshing.
25753621670. Hey guys, this is Masuma. I'm the marketing manager here at Betadol. And today we have Akash Shah, our founder, here with us. Hi Akash.
Hi Masuma. Hello guys. It's nice to be here on a Monday evening.
So right here we have the Betadol Himalayan Shilajit, the product that everyone on TikTok is going gaga over. So Akash, today we'll be answering some funny and mean comments that we came across under Shilajit's videos. So are you ready for that?
I don't think I'm ever ready for some mean comments or some trolling, but since Masuma is pushing me so much, I'll have to give it a try.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
So just adding a little twist here, because last week we did this with Monish. So I'm just trying to be a little more creative today, and we have some helium balloons with us, and you will be inhaling some helium while you answer.
Done.
So I have the helium balloon with me, and I'm gonna ask Akash to inhale this. Then we'll go about reading the comments.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. So Akash is going to answer our first mean comment, and Akash, here you go.
Tastes like electricity, like putting your tongue on a 9-volt battery. It sure is a powerhouse of energy. You'll feel super energetic. I'm not sure if it's a 9-volt battery or not. But yeah, it will give you a lot of energy, which
Makes you feel that you have a dose of electricity within you.
Firstly, how do you know how a 9-volt
Old battery, yeah.
tastes like? I really need to ask you this. Have you tried licking Shilajit right off the spoon?
No, I haven't. I've had it with normal water, and I think Shilajit tends to drop on your fingers a bit, so I've tasted that, but I've not had it right off my spoon. Something that I can try it soon.
I think next comment is even better. It's normal that smell like goat poop. I don't know how did you smell goat poop in the first place, but we get our Shilajit from one of the highest altitudes of Himalayas, and then it's
Purified with the Trifluc decoction, which makes it a very pure thing.
Right.
So I'm not sure about goat poop, but if you have it consistently, you can sure be a goat, which is greatest of all times.
Ooh. The next comment I'm gonna actually read out loud, and Danny has asked us, are we gonna say anything about the arsenic and mercury content? Well, I think there are a lot of questions about the presence of heavy metals in Shilajit.
So with each Shilajit, you will get a lab test report, which is a COA. Each product will have this, and our Shilajit is tested at a ISO 17025 certified lab, which is one of the highest graded labs.
Wow.
And we send it to US, the third party lab in the US to get it tested.
Right.
So pretty hell-bent on getting a highest quality Shilajit out there.
Of course, Betadol definitely believes in authenticity and transparency. So guys, you can rest assured, because this third party lab test is legit, and it's so vital because there are so many fake brands out there that are not even giving out these certificates, because how will they haven't been filtering out their Shilajit like we do. They haven't been following these Ayurvedic methods of filtration like we are doing. That's how legit the third party lab test of purity is. Alright, so we have another comment by Magic Man. And Magic Man asks, is it a food, a vitamin, or do you even consume it? Do you rub it on? What is this stuff?
So Shilajit is a super supplement. It has its history dated back in Ayurvedic scriptures, like thousands of years back. It was everybody mentioned and everybody spoke of Shilajit, which basically means destroyer of weakness. Shilajit is basically found in high altitudes of Himalayas, let's say more than 16,000 feet of altitude. Wow. There are huge rocks out there, so you get those rocks, purify them, clean them, remove all the impurities that are naturally there on the rock, and then make a resin out of it. So our Himalayan Shilajit comes in a resin form, which is very convenient to use. You just mix it with warm water or milk and have it. Has it tremendous benefits. It is known as a powerhouse of minerals, having 85 minerals which all come from a natural source.
Wow.
And Shilajit also has, so important thing to note is the fulvic acid. A source of Shilajit will have a higher fulvic acid. Higher fulvic acid basically helps you absorb those minerals better. So higher the better it is. Having Shilajit on a consistent basis helps you increase your energy. You won't really have to rely on coffee for those energy spikes that you need. Shilajit builds your stamina and energy on a consistent basis. Tremendous other advantages also, like it boosts your testosterone levels, helps you with a clear skin as well, has tremendous anti-aging properties too. You name the benefits and Shilajit has it also. Yeah, it is actually a super supplement.
Wow. And you were mentioning something about Shilajit Rocks and
Correct.
the differences in their sourcing between us and the other brands.
So it's a very opaque industry, to be very honest. It's very difficult to get the right quality and the right grade of Shilajit. So your resin depends on the Shilajit rock. So in market you'll find tremendous players getting lower quality Shilajit. They actually use a gum to ensure that there is this resin form factor that they arrive. So it's very important that whoever you buy your Shilajit from, it's very important that the source of the rock comes from a really high altitude and it is processed in a very correct way, traditional way, and we use Trifla to purify our Shilajit rocks from all the impurities. And that is why we also send out our COA, which mentions of the fulvic acid, which is always more than 75% and free of all the metal contents.
And it's so scary when you mentioned that fake brands might be using gum to create Shilajit resin. And I even heard, and there were a few customers who were complaining about other brands that they had to deal with molasses. That even the fake Shilajit brands that were using molasses and gum. So it becomes a very scary thing to witness.
Extremely scary. I think a lot of additives are added to get the product at a very cheap price. Molasses, as you mentioned, guar gum is what everybody adds. We use a very premium quality rock, and you will get rocks which are 1/10 the price as well. So it's very difficult to get a good quality Shilajit, and it's extremely important that you get each batch lab tested so that you know that you are having a very pure quality of Shilajit.
We definitely lab test each batch of our Shilajit. Each pack of Shilajit comes with this third-party lab test of purity, and it is done by an ISO 17025 certified laboratory. So guys, always make sure that you check out the third-party lab test before you buy your Shilajit, and you do your research actively and not just jump on any trend that's going over on TikTok. So make sure that you are aware of all of these. So we have another comment by user 2575362167110. He asked, do you eat it? And there's another user who asked, can you put it in coffee or bad idea?
No, of course it's a good idea to put it in coffee. Our Shilajit comes in a resin form, so it's very easy to mix it with any of the liquid. The ideal way would be to have it with hot water or hot milk, but please feel free to add it to your coffees as well. You won't have to go through the pungent taste of Shilajit.
And guys, please, when he says mix it with your favorite drinks, don't end up mixing it with alcohol.
Yes.
It's not soluble in alcohol. That is one way to put it. Pure Shilajit will not dissolve in alcohol. So try all you want, but our Shilajit will not be miscible with alcohol. Okay, thank you so much, Akash, for being here and for your time today. It was a very insightful session indeed, and we also ended up addressing a lot of serious comments apart from addressing some mean or funny comments.
Oh no, it's always nice to read out these comments. It takes you a step closer with the customer and try and understand what actually they are thinking and how they are using Shilajit. It's always up for such sessions.
Yes. Cool. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.